In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your itch.io profile in just a few quick steps. This is a simple tutorial, but it can be really helpful if you're new to the platform and want to see what other people see when they visit your profile. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in to the account you want to view. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see your username. Next to it, there should be a small drop-down arrow or menu button. Click that drop-down next to your username to open the account menu. A list of options will appear, and from there, look for the option that says View Profile. Click View Profile, and itch.io will take you directly to your public profile page. This is where you can see your username, bio, uploaded projects, and any other details that are visible to visitors. If you want to check how your profile looks to others, this is the fastest way to do it. And that's it, you now know how to view your itch.io profile. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.